up guys, my name is Courtney Budson and this is What's for Din. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a one-pan creamy chicken and gnocchi. Now I love one-pan recipes because they are so simple, and this one is no exception because this can be done in less than 30 minutes. And on top of that, it is mind-boggling delicious. You have fluffy potato gnocchi, roasted chicken, sauteed mushrooms, all coated in a delicious cream sauce that is to die for. I have to show you guys this recipe, so without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 425 degrees, and then you want to get a large cast iron skillet, or medium size I should say, over medium-high heat. And to that I'm going to add some olive oil, and to that we're going to add some chopped up onion. And I just want to cook this for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to add some mushrooms. So it's been a couple of minutes, and now I'm going to go ahead and add the mushrooms. Now you can use any kind of mushroom you want. You can use white mushroom, you can use portobello mushroom, totally up to you. And we just want to cook this until the mushrooms get a nice brown color to it. It doesn't have to be super dark, just a light golden color. And don't forget to season that with a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, as you can see, my mushrooms have a very slight golden color. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some minced garlic. We're just going to cook that for another couple minutes or until the garlic gets nice and fragrant. Alright, that step's done, so I'm going to go ahead and scoop it all out and put it into a bowl and set it aside for now. Oh, it smells so good, it's like killing me. I'm dying. Alright, in the same pan, we're going to melt down some butter. I'm just going to turn down the heat to a medium-low. Now that our butter's nice and melted, you can go ahead and add your all-purpose flour. This is just making a roux, so it'll make the dish nice and thick. The creamy sauce will be super yummy and thick. And you just want to whisk it so you can get all the clumps out, and then cook it for about 2 minutes to get all the raw flour taste out. Okay, now we're going to whisk in some chicken stock and some milk. We're going to go ahead and season it with some salt and pepper. Just give it a good whisk and bring it back up to medium-high, and then it'll eventually start to get thick. And for seasonings, I'm using some dried oregano, some dried dill, a little bit of cayenne pepper, and some dried thyme. So you can see it's bubbling, it's really nice and thick. Now it's at this stage you want to go ahead and grab a little bit and taste it and see if it needs any more salt and pepper. Okay, so at this point I'm going to go ahead and add some chicken. Now I went ahead and cooked this. Now you can totally use rotisserie chicken, and that's actually awesome to use in this recipe because it has a lot of flavor and you don't have to do anything but go to the store and buy it. But I just cooked my own chicken and chopped it up into cubes, and that's what I'm going to add in here. We're also going to add back in our onions and mushrooms. Add our gnocchi, potato gnocchi. That is not cooked. I'm just going to give this a good toss before we add anything else because you can see it's kind of filled to the brim. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some spinach. And I know it looks like there's a lot of spinach in here, but it's just going to wilt down anyway, so it really won't be that much. Just go ahead and fold that in. I'm just going to go ahead and turn off the heat. Now we're going to add some grated Parmesan right on top. So now all we have to do is throw this in a 425 degree oven for about 25 minutes until the gnocchi's all the way cooked through, and that's it. We're done. So going in the oven. So here is the beautiful final product. I cannot stress enough how amazing it smells in here. I'm not waiting anymore, so we're going in. But first I gotta blow on it because it's like 1,000 degrees. This is like what dreams are made of, you guys. I'm not even kidding. This is so creamy. It has so much flavor. So stinking good. You guys have to make this. So if you do want to recreate this recipe, what in the world is a recipe? Just look in the description box below. I'll have all the measurements as well as the written instructions. And if you did like this video, don't forget to smack that like button. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe because I have so many more recipes to come and I wouldn't want you to miss out. And as always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and we'll see you next time. Peace. This is so good. I can't stop eating.